Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new to my channel, welcome. And if you came to check out this haul, that some products I picked up at Ulta and some items that were gifted to me, please continue to watch. So before we get into this box, let me talk a little bit about some of the things that was gifted to me. So we're gonna go through that first. The first thing, oh, that fell out. Mercier translucent setting powder, and I have it in the color translucent deep. Now I do use Mercier a lot. I currently have the translucent powder, which is my own collection from it's right here. And this is the one that was gifted to me. So this is the medium deep. And I'll show you a little bit of how I apply this in just a second. Then I apply a light coat under my eye and just in my T-zone area. I like to mix both of them because I feel like this one is too dark unless I'm just putting it on my chin area, but for the most part this one I feel like it's a little too dark for me, and I like to mix them. And I just place that under my eye or my lip. And I don't use a lot because honestly I really don't need a lot. It's really only to set your makeup, it's not to highlight. And then a little on the chin, usually where I have my T-zones. I usually place it where I get the most sweating. Just open the lip area, under the eye, and on the forehead. Like so. And then I use my spritz and I just spray it down. So I also was gifted some stuff by Real Technique. Now a lot of these things, and I thought it would be a great time to throw this into my haul, the things I purchased at Ulta, because a lot of these things you can pick up at Ulta. I was gifted this from Real Technique, which is a prep and prime set. You can also find this at Ulta. I was also gifted some sleek products, and you can also pick these up at Ulta. So I got an eyeshadow palette right here, a cream contour kit, a highlighting kit, and this matte lipstick says Major Matte by Sleek Makeup. This is in the color Vino Tinto, and the number is 1041. So that is it for the stuff that was gifted to me by Sleek Makeup, Real Technique, and Mercier. Now let's get into the products that I picked up. If you don't know, Ulta was having a sale on their Real Technique makeup sponges, and I think that was a perfect time to stock up for the winter time, fall, winter time, and yeah, so I stocked up. And they were really inexpensive at the time. I mean, Real Technique is not that expensive anyways, but it was really inexpensive, so I decided to stock up. Here we have a bunch of the products that I picked up. First thing I picked out is this Real Technique's base 4 Miracle Complexion sponges. I pretty much picked up a bunch of makeup sponges. Also picked up some Eco 2s because they were on sale too. So Eco 2s duo sponges. Reason why I picked this up because it came with a protective case, which I could throw in my purse because I hate putting these in my bag, and I usually put it in a Ziploc when I'm traveling and it still gets messy. So now I have a traveling case for my beauty blender. I also have a single makeup Miracle Complexion sponge by Real Technique. Another single. I also picked up this Real Technique Eye Detail Plus Define. But this is pretty cool, wanted to try it. And concealers by Revolution Makeup London. So I have 2 concealers. I really do like the packaging. And then that is it for some papers. So that is it for that stuff. We put this over to the side, and I'm gonna go a little in detail with some of the stuff that I was gifted. Let's get into these brushes. Now, I'm not going to swatch everything in here. I'll just show you what the colors look like in the palette because I want to get this review done. I don't want it too long. So I will go through each one of these, and as far as the makeup palette, I'll just open them, I'm show you. This is the Real Technique Prime Prep Set. It says for a smoother skin surface plus lasting makeup. So the first brush is for moisture or prime, which is this brush right here. The next brush is here. It says a dry brush exfoliate. The next brush right here, it says under eye cream. And the last brush is for your lip scrub. So this one is for the lip scrub. I actually like this packaging. I would actually keep it and store my brushes upright like this. I do like that. So let's get into these palettes. This is the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette. I'm just gonna show you really quick what they look like. I'm not gonna do really any swatching. So that's what that looks like. This is more of a powder right here, and these three are creams. This is the cream contour in dark. Comes with a little instruction, and then different ones they carry. I really like their packaging. It's matte with a little shimmer to it. So I'm gonna hold this like this. It has 6 colors, nice colors. Now I feel like some of them maybe come off maybe orange perhaps, but that is what these shades are looking like. And we have this eyeshadow palette by Real Technique. So again, it has this matte, the little shimmer of the logo, and this has 12 shades. So it has nice natural shades in here, a lot of mauve for a day look. So I will go ahead and swatch at least 3 of these. So I'll do 3 shimmers because that's my favorite, and then I'll do a matte. So that is what that is looking like. I'll do one more shimmer. I'll do gold. So that is what the gold is looking like. So it is pigmented, and then I'll go ahead and do a matte. And I'll put it right here. You can barely see that matte, but that is the matte. This has about 3 mattes and 9 shimmers. And their lipstick right here, matte lipstick. Swatch that shade real quick. And that's what the shade looks like. And you already know what the Beauty Blender looks like, so I'm not gonna go through all of those, but this is what the case one looks like. So it comes in a case like so. Slide that out, like that out. And you have the Beauty Blender like so. Goes into here to be stored, and then you just close it up and throw it into your purse. Almost like those candy, like back when you were a kid and you put your coin into the machine and got a toy, like a toy egg or whatever, just like that. Same concept. And then the eye kit, I know you guys are probably gonna wonder what that is. So this is the eye kit. It comes with 2 brushes, 1 angled brush and 1 little flat type brush, and then a guard for applying your eyeliner. Almost like something I previously reviewed. So that is what comes in here. And in case you wanted to see the swatches for the concealers, the first shade is C10, and it's right here. The next shade is C11. Let's watch that. Now I feel like these concealers have more so C11, which is right here, has a lot of red undertones in it, and it's supposed to be yellow. I don't know what's going on there, but I purchased it because it said yellow undertones, which I have. That is it for this haul. Let me know what you guys think about the haul, and I'll leave all information and link to all these purchases down below, and also the stuff that was gifted to me down below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please continue to share so I can keep coming to you with more content. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my new Facebook group, Visionaries of Beauty. And hopefully you guys will like it and go ahead and join the group and just hang out with other like-minded women. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.